If you want really great life, it starts first thing in the morning. It starts with attention the moment you open your eyes, get excited about your day. First thing in the morning, get excited about your life. If you want a better quality life, if you never want to feel like this again, you must make time for yourself. Every morning, here are 4 things you should do every day, every single day. First thing in the morning, no excuses. Get up 30 to 60 minutes earlier if you have to, and make sure you get this done as a priority over everything else in your life, everything. Number 1, gratitude. This is more important than anything. I guarantee you, if you do this alone every day, it will change your life. It will change how you feel about everything in your life. Spend 5 to 50 minutes every morning writing down minimum 3 things you are extremely grateful for right now in your life. It could be 3 things that if you were to do anything to get. It could be to do with your family, your eyesight, the opportunity you have simply by being in this country. Even to be thankful for those movements that have made you who you are today, made you stronger, you are healthy. Whatever it is, write it down. It is important to write it down. It not just think it right, it can feel how grateful you are for those things one by one. There is no wrong and right way to do this. Write down whatever comes through naturally. It will be different every day, and that is good. Do this every morning before you start your day, and then be consciously on the lookout throughout the day of things you can write down for tomorrow. Number 2, meditation. If you have not done this before, you will need to be patient. It might not be easy right way, but it will be easy for beneficial long term. Aim for 10 to 20 minutes at least, one in the morning. If you can, the benefit of meditation have been built, documenting including stress and anxiety release, more clarity and good control. Number 3, self-development daily, every single day. Every day, listen to something that is going to help you take action toward the person you want to become, the person you will be in the future. Whoever that is, who do you want to be for your family? What example do you want to say? Who do you want to be for you so you can look in the mirror and be proud because you know this person was made by you, your work. Number 4, exercise and nutrition. You don't need a gym membership to exercise, and there are no excuses. Either you want to be healthy and fit and set an example in the process, or you value other things more. Plenty of free exercise you can do. You can do it home. You can run. You can do a lot of things. And you can get a really good workout done in 30 minutes a day. Nutrition is your fuel, and you should look at it with the view of this will either give me energy or drain from me. Life is much easier if you're feeling healthy and energetic. You are only going to get that from making strong choices every day. Important, most people will not do this. Most people that do this will stop doing it as soon as a major situation like money, for example, change in their life. Most people will end up in the same place in a few years, a few months, a few days. Most people are not happy. Don't be most people. Make this a priority in your life. Just being present and conscious attention, really wholeheartedly do those processes. with an open mind and heart. If you do miss a day or one part of it, don't rush yourself up. Also pay attention to how you feel when you don't do it. And get back on track. You deserve this.